Who knows? Yeah, let's take a look at MicroStrategies for sure. MicroStrategies looks wild. I don't even think this is on log, is it? Yeah, let's go to logarithmic because it's pretty damn crazy. So my old TP1 and TP2 from the old historic charts, needless to say, we hit both of them. So we're going to kind of ignore those markups for now because whatever. Move them off. We'll still kind of leave them there for some clout later, right? Truth be told, we had a huge run here that found support on MicroStrategies. I was looking at this chart earlier this week, so I can speak to it without reading it too much. But this kind of looks like the same bottom print to me. Now, I'm talking about that somewhat in hindsight. I say somewhat. It's gone up 42% since then. But these bottom prints on like the H4 really need to pay attention to those. They hit hard. And when I say hit hard, go look at the H4 on your chart of whatever you're trying to trade and then go back and look in time and you can find really good prints. Another good example, H4 bottoms on MicroStrategy pump, H4 bottom pump. They're really good. And we got another one here. Same kind of colors, yellow and white, very strong bear print colors. We have a bottom print and then we sent it. Now this is just bonkers. This is your guy Sailor doing a 350% run, which is amazing. And we kind of got it going on here as well. I'm going to go to 2 hours to see if we can get a little more action in the charts. But not that we want to say acceleration, or not what's it called? Accumulation, whatever it's called. I forgot. But definitely saw that printer bottoms and then run up. Now, where does it do from here? I don't really know. Personally, yeah, colors are default. I really don't like messing around dead center of the reversion rainbows. And that's kind of where you're at. You're on the higher side of it. And you're already printing like pink candles. So I'm not so super big on that. But this is one of those things in a week from now, 2 weeks from now, if Ethereum gets approved and Bitcoin goes over 75, you know what this chart's going to look like. It's not rocket science. It's going to go up. Same thing with Coinbase. Coinbase also kind of had the same setup. It's starting to roll over again and form a bottom print. Now, this one hasn't really pumped up yet, but you definitely need to see the rhymes to the reasons here. Ah, shoot. I just killed my order blocks and I was trying to kill the drawings. So we've covered this before, but needless to say, coin has just been volatile as can be, which is good. Shout out Coinbase. I really like their legal team for multiple reasons. Big sustained runs that roll over. Big sustained run. It rolls over. You could also maybe kind of draw these as a channel thing. Hold on one second. What was I looking for? Yeah, hold on, sorry. You could kind of look at these as a channel thing. Sorry, my computer screwed up there. You could kind of look at these as channel walks. This one in particular doesn't really scream channel walk to me, but you could kind of draw in hindsight. It's not tight enough for me to see it, but you can definitely see the trends shift. When the trends shift, you really need to pay attention because oftentimes they bleed out. And so far, both of these bled out, albeit this one's bleeding slower. But the idea is pump, shift, break, find support, pump, shift, break, whatever. Bitcoin wakes up, this thing's going to wake up too. We also had really good earnings reports. So to me, if you're trading MicroStrategies, you need to also look at definitely look at Coinbase. Those are kind of they move a lot alike and they move kind of in synchronous. We also got a bottom print here, albeit would be underwater right now, but still it's a sign of a trend change. In general, the bottom prints that are in the reds, I really like those. The ones that are kind of in the middle range, I'm just but you can see the ones that are in the bottom are really good. Same thing, pump, get your pinks, roll over. Pump, get your pinks, roll over. You just got to find support now. I don't think Coinbase has gotten any real legal issues. They frankly have been whooping SEC's booty. So I think they're just going to keep whooping butt and taking names. But same thing, pump, roll over, going. We're eventually going to find support and hopefully this thing keeps breaking up. But it's super volatile. It really is. It doesn't trade like a big trade fight coin. It really bleeds hard. So anyway, hope that answers your question. Vanity RMF wants to see Zig. What's up, RMF?